Disney and Unity Technologies have joined forces to prove that you can make TV animation with our creation engine.
We're using techniques that we've adopted from virtual reality production and from augmented reality production and utilizing a real-time rendering system to create broadcast content.
We are making 3 short films based on the Big Hero 6 property. We're telling the story of Baymax as he falls asleep and goes into a dream state. The wonderful thing about real-time content creation is that it allows for multiple parallel workflows to happen simultaneously.
The director can look at everything at the same time instead of waiting for each department to hand off to the next one.
The flexibility and the immediacy of the engine, that is, to me, the biggest value.
Playback is instant.
You can go, you know what, midday isn't feeling that great. Let's just go to Magic Hour. In an instant, you can hit a button, see what everything looks like at Magic Hour. You can gamble a little bit more creatively and come up with those happy accidents.
Now that you've created assets, you can use those sets and those characters in other experiences.
We can create AR experiences, VR experiences, all from the engine because it's already in there. If you look at Disney's history and if you look at the DNA of the company, it's all about experimentation.
We're always looking to reach out to new technologies and new platforms to advance the storytelling ethos.